Now we're going to look at staking out things from this IFC file. We can choose points or lines from the IFC file to stake out. First off, we're going to select a point. So I'm going to choose this point and tap Stakeout. I can go to the video now, and when I tap turn, you'll see that point in the map. I'll turn off my wireframe and scroll that video off. And we can see how close that IFC point is to the measured value. If I turn it to DR, I can measure and store that point. Now if we review that point, you can see all the IFC attributes are associated with that stakeout point. Next, I'm going to show you how to stake out some line work. So I'll zoom in to a different part of the model, select the line, and tap Stakeout. And stake a distance along the polyline. If I put a distance of 0.5 meter, I can then start staking that. I can turn to that point, and again in my video, I should see how well that line fits, with the actual overpass. If I then move my video to the actual position, we can see how far off I am from the actual IFC line. I can see my deltas and store that. And again, if I go back to the video or the map, and I inspect that point, we'll see the IFC attributes are again associated with that point. We can do a few other things with the IFC file. If I turn on my video, you can see we have a design for some stormwater pipes and a manhole running under the footpath here. I can create line work or points from these IFC elements. So I can tap the top of the manhole, for example, and create a center point for stakeout. So here I'm going to tap that manhole, selecting that face, tap and hold, and click Compute Center Point. I can give that point a name. Let's call it Stormwater Manhole. And as you can see again, all of those IFC attributes from that face have been copied to that point. So now I'm going to go and stake out that point. I'll turn my video on and lock on to my target. Make sure auto locks on. Now I'm locked on, I can start my stakeout. So I've got to go back and across. So now I can measure and store that point. Again, if we look at the stakeout point, all of the IFC attributes are there. Next, if I wanted to stake out the center of those pipelines, I can simply tap them in the map. Tap and hold, and tap Compute Center Line. So this is going to create a center line down the middle of that pipe, which is again going to have all the IFC attributes associated with it. I can then store that and stake out the line. So here I can go stake that line out and create offset points ready, or create stakes ready for us to put that in. That's all we've got on Stakeout, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching these videos on scanning and IFC workflows. Make sure you subscribe to the Trimble Access YouTube channel and the Trimble Access community to keep up to date with all the latest content. See you next time.